Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Phantom Wallet to Mrs. Browser. And Mrs. Browser is a real cool browser for one feature, and that is that it can have extensions. So here we are on the Mrs. Browser home screen. Now, if I click on the little extension button here on the top, looks like a puzzle, you'll be able to see all my extensions. Now, if I click on the three stripes on the left-hand side, that'll bring up a sidebar, and from there we want to open up the Chrome Web Store. Now all you need to do is search for Phantom, and then once you find it here, you just click in it. And now we're going to do this like we would a normal Chrome extension. So we are going to go to the right hand side and say add to Chrome. And we want to say OK over here. And that'll immediately prompt Phantom to open. And all you want to say is create new wallet. And you can choose to create with an email or create using a seed phrase. So for this video, we'll go for seed phrase, and it's going to ask me to create a password, confirm said password, and agree to the terms of service. And once you've done that, hit continue. Next up is your secret recovery phrase. All you want to do is capture this, write it down, take a photo, whatever you need to do. Better for you to write it down though. And then hit continue once you've clicked I saved my recovery phrase. And that's it. Now you've successfully added Phantom Wallet to Mrs. Browser. So I'm going to close all of these tabs we have open and go to my extensions here on the top again. And now you'll see Phantom is there. And we just need to click on that. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.